Hey guys, welcome back to the next session of side-to-side VPN connectivity. So far, we have created a resource group, a virtual network, a VM bastion service, virtual network gateway, and local network gateway. And these all resources we have created it in two sides, one in central India, another is the East US2. That means we have created both the resources. Let me recall. If you click on resource group, right? So we have two resource groups, 001, Central India, 002, East US2. So all the resources which I was showing you have been created. Now we will create the connection between both the virtual network gateway. So let's quickly jump on our local network gateway, click on connections, click on add. Now here on, we choose site-to-site connectivity. Name, connection, Z, and it's Central India. Now setting. In setting, we will choose our virtual network gateway 001, our local network gateway 001. Now for PSK, you can just put any password here. Though, as per the corporate, it's recommended that you should always generate an encrypted password. And there are a lot of online sites where you can just type a random password and you can generate the encrypted 20 character string. But just for testing purpose, I'll put a small password like India at the rate 123. I'll just put IKEV2, Internet Key Exchange version 2. And I'll leave things as it is. For IKE policy, though, you can choose default as well. But again, as per the corporate standards, we always try to choose the phase 1 and phase 2 encryptions and the Delphi group. So in the encryption, we choose AES 256, 256. So these some sort of standard I have already decided in my mind. You can choose according to the another network. Let's suppose if you work in a corporate or in a project and you want to connect with your client, then these sort of things which definitely needs to match with your client. So whatever encryption or other parameters you are keeping it, the other side, the another network, you have to choose the same parameter. So if encryption is 256, and IPsec encryption 256 for the phase 2, so everything will remain same for another network. Now I choose everything as it is. Like I'm not changing the other values like kilobytes. If 0 is that means infinite. Delay time is 2700, and everything is same. Like in upcoming videos, we will also learn the policy-based routing, but for now, this will keep it as static one. So let's click on review, press create, and we will create. So one connection we have established. Meanwhile, it's creating. Let's quickly jump onto the another local network gateway. For that, jump into another resource group. All right. So my mistake, we choose the local network group name same for the site. So that's fine. You can keep it. Okay. So let's try to refresh. Yep. So one side of connection is created. Now this time we will remember that we created in resource group 1. Now quickly jump onto resource group 2 so that we will not do any confusion. We just need to keep this name 002, but that's fine. Connection, click on add. Let's keep it side to side connectivity. Name CON. Z VNet crack N002. And this time it will keep in ECS2 settings. All right. So I have to remember, I have to choose this one. Password, 123, IKB2. Now this time, this is something I was talking about. So when you come to this other side, you have to choose the same encryption so that all the parameters match and it generates the connection. So I'm just choosing few values over here as per the standards. Now click on Review plus Create and now create. So as we have created this, it will take a little time. And then after that, we can see the connection status. Quickly jump onto any of the network gateway, click on connections. As you can see, okay, it's updating here. It's not connected so far. Wait for a couple of more minutes. You can come into the VPN gateway as well. Here you can also see the status. Status is coming unknown for now. As the you can see the another connection is still wait for a couple of minutes. All right. So it's created. We can refresh. So far, status is not changed. Let's try to check by ping. So let's open CMD. Let's check the VMIP. Okay, so this is 10.0004. Let's do the same over here as well. I hope it should be 192.168.0.4, but let's verify. Yep, correct. Here. Now by this machine, let's try to ping the other one. All right. Okay, now you can see you can ping to the other machine. Same, you can try over here. Ping 192.168.0.4-T. Yep, you can connect, right? So now our VPN connection is established and both the machine can communicate to each other. Quickly jump on this. If you refresh, might be the status is not updated yet, but soon it will show the status connected. We can verify the status connected by pinging both the machine, and both machines are communicating with each other. So that's also a symbol that the side-to-side connectivity is established. Now, if you click on overview, and sooner you will find this ingress and egress traffic will be visible here, right? Yeah. So that was the thing which we covered in this particular video. And by all the sessions, we covered everything regarding to site-to-site connectivity. Thank you so much, guys. We will meet in next videos for other sort of tutorials regarding site-to-site, point-to-site, netting, and point-to-site. So yeah, all those sort of videos. Thank you, everyone.